AliExpress. So it's supposed to be a 10-inch 360 lace frontal wig, and it's supposed to be Peruvian. So the name of the hair company that I bought it from was PromQueen Store. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon or eBay, but they're definitely on AliExpress. I paid $14.10 for this wig with free shipping to the United States. For my Jamaican subscribers, that was approximately $1,980 Jamaican for a 10-inch 360 wig. Imagine that, and it's full lace. I already opened the bag just to look at it, and so this is not really like an initial review, but like just so you guys can see it. So it came in this bag, the regular DHL bag. It came in this, and the first thing I noticed when I opened this was that it says 12-inch, and I actually ordered a 10-inch, so they're giving me more length for even less money. It comes in the usual netting right here. So this is actually supposed to be like Peruvian hair, and it's a full lace inside, like 360 lace. Let's talk about the inside of the cap. This wig comes with 4 combs. It comes with one here, and 2 at the sides, and it comes with baby hairs, and it's pre-plucked, supposedly pre-plucked. The lace right here is also like plucked. For the length, I haven't washed the hair yet, guys, so I'm hoping once I wash it, because you know with these hairs straight out of the bag it always looks weird, and it really comes to life after you wash it. So I'm gonna do a follow-up video, but this was just my initial review. In terms of the length, it has different lengths, like look at that, and right here is long, and then around the front is short. So I'm not sure, I don't know if they were trying to like give it volume or layers or what, but the length is good because I was actually only supposed to get 10-inch and they gave me a 12-inch, so that's really great. In terms of the lace, I really love how the lace is, or how it feels, because it's pretty transparent and it's not like the thick lace that you get with most wigs. It's really thin, and it seems like it'll be really easy to like cut and customize. The hair is really soft, so I'm not really getting any shedding, which is really good. I wanted to do like look at my hair, so I wanted to do like to see how it would look with me. Look at that, oh my god, this looks like it could be really awesome. So the website says that it's supposed to be like glueless, and I think that I could actually pull that off. If I cut the lace off, it might actually look really great, and like lay the baby hairs, I don't know, but I'm gonna do like a separate video reviewing like so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash the hair, I'm going to bleach the knots, and then I'm gonna install it on camera along with laying the baby hair, so you guys can actually see this wig in full effect. But I just wanted you guys to get an initial review, and do I love it? I definitely do. So as usual, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to where you guys can purchase this hair. $14 for a Peruvian 12-inch wig is a real steal. I believe it was on sale at the time, but you might be able to get it for about $30 now, which is still a steal. So you guys go check out their page. So PromQueen is a yes. I'm definitely gonna try them again. If you guys have any questions, any comments, you can leave those in the comments down below, and I will be sure to respond to them. Thanks again for watching this video, guys, and I will see you next video. And I will see you guys next video.
Shuffle me, shuffle, you're still the queen in the day. Queen in the day, queen in the day, girl, girl.